All right, let's talk about one of the biggest, most frustrating hurdles in making music, the blank page. We're going to look at how you can find instant inspiration using a really powerful and maybe kind of overlooked tool that's already sitting right inside Logic Pro.
You know the feeling, right? We have all been there. You've carved out the time, you're excited to make something new, you open up your project, and just nothing. A silent, empty timeline staring right back at you. That creator's block can just kill a session before it even starts. But what if you had a secret weapon to get things going?
Well, that is exactly what Logic Pro's built-in templates are for. Seriously, you should think of them less like presets and more like a creative partner, one that's ready to go with a bunch of ideas the second you are. So what are these magical tools called? They're masher templates. And at their core, they're basically complete, ready-to-go live loops grids already jam-packed with sounds for a specific genre. It's like opening up a project that already has a vibe, giving you an instant toolkit to just start playing and creating. And this isn't some one-size-fits-all kind of deal. Nope. Logic gives you a whole palette of different sounds to pick from, depending on what kind of track you're feeling inspired to make today.
And just look at the variety here. Let's say you want to make something with those deep, wobbly bass lines and a really punchy kick. Boom, you've got the Bass House Masher. Or hey, maybe you're feeling something more atmospheric, a little more of a trap vibe. Skyline Masher has you covered. There's even a template for that classic head-nodding boom-bap feel. The starting points are all right there for you.
So what makes these templates so powerful? Well, it's really the combination of all these features. You get this organized grid that's perfect for jamming, and it's preloaded with content, so you are never, ever starting from zero. They even work with cool performance tools like Remix FX. But honestly, the most important part is the full customization. This is not about using a pre-made song. It's about having a launchpad to create something that is 100% your own.
Okay, so you're probably thinking, this sounds great, but how do I actually start making music with them? It is surprisingly, ridiculously simple. Let's just walk through the basic steps right now.
It is literally this simple. You pick your grid, and then you just start playing. You can click on individual cells to hear different loops, or you can trigger entire columns, those are called scenes, to build whole sections of a song. And the real fun begins when you start adding your own flavor, like dragging in your own loops or recording ideas right into the empty cells. Then you can throw on some Remix FX for that live DJ-style feel, and once you've got a groove going, you just hit record and capture the whole performance.
Now this brings us to a really key concept, a non-linear workflow. What on earth does that actually mean? Well, in one word, freedom. You're free from that rigid left-to-right timeline. You can improvise, you can test out all these different combinations of sounds, and just play with the structure of your song on the fly, all without committing to anything. It's a workflow built for pure experimentation and discovery.
Okay, and this right here, this is the most important part of this whole process. You have to remember, these templates are not the final song. They're just the raw clay for you to shape into something that is uniquely yours. This slide really just lays out the journey perfectly. The template gives you a starting point, but you create the unique arrangement. It gives you some preloaded loops, but you're going to replace them with your own recordings. It might offer a genre guide, but you're going to follow that path to your own final vision. Never forget this. The template is just the start. The second you change one loop, or you record one new idea, or you rearrange one scene, it stops being a template and it starts becoming your song. The real creativity is in that transformation. So, we've seen what these templates are, how they work, and how they can be the perfect cure for that awful creator's block. Now, the only thing left to do is for you to dive in and try it. So the next time you open up Logic Pro, instead of just staring at that blank screen, try opening up a masher. Are you going to start with the deep grooves of Bass House, or maybe the relaxed vibe of chill hip-hop? The choice is all yours. Happy creating!